Ever found yourself daydreaming about making money effortlessly from the comfort of your own space? What if I told you there are lazy yet incredibly effective methods to turn those dreams into reality? Intrigued? Well, today we're delving into the world of online money making, and I've got a question for you. Can you imagine earning a steady income without breaking a sweat? Stick around as we uncover the top 4 online money makers in 2024. Trust me, these methods might just be the answer you've been searching for. Method 1. Affiliate commissions. Making money online doesn't need to be a head-scratcher, and this method is a true game-changer. If only I had stumbled upon it sooner. So what's the scoop? It's all about spreading the word about products online without the headache of creating them. Forget about building anything or assembling a team. Your job is simple. Share a special link that directs people to products already out there. And here's the beauty of it. You earn something called an affiliate commission when your promotion hits the mark. But let's crank up the cool factor. Focus on products offering recurring affiliate commissions. Instead of a one-time payment for promoting a product, imagine raking in money repeatedly from the same customer. It's like a paycheck on replay without breaking a sweat. Of course, there's a hitch. You need to identify the right product that people are eager to buy. Your main gig? Snag that special link for the product and showcase it to the right crowd. There are various ways to pull this off, but one of my personal favorites is something called search-based affiliate marketing. Essentially, it means strategically placing your special link in front of people actively seeking information about that product online. It's like meeting them at the exact moment they're interested, a savvy move to ensure your link catches the eye of the right audience. Now let's talk strategy. Amidst the sea of approaches, one that stands out is search-based affiliate marketing. This game plan involves positioning your affiliate link strategically in front of individuals actively searching for information about the product online. Think about it. You're not cold calling or randomly promoting. You're meeting potential customers at the very moment they're expressing interest. It's a targeted and effective way to ensure your affiliate link catches the eyes of those genuinely seeking what you have to offer. So, as you embark on this journey, remember, it's not just about promoting any product. It's about strategically placing your affiliate link where it matters most. Method 2. Niche authority websites. Let's now transition to the second laid-back approach for making money online, constructing a niche authority website. If the term seems a bit unfamiliar, fear not. It's quite straightforward. A niche authority website is merely a platform where you share information and articles about a particular topic. No need to overcomplicate things. Your primary duty is to provide valuable information within that niche. The charm lies in the seamless integration of promoting any product or service within those articles. These websites are especially terrific for promoting products with recurring affiliate commissions. You can target individuals who are actively seeking information about these products. If you've invested effort in branding your website, effective design, and focused on Google SEO, there's a solid chance your niche authority website could secure a spot on the first page of Google. This not only allows you to earn from the initial method we discussed, whether it's through Google AdSense or another advertising platform, flexibility is at your disposal. Additionally, consider the potential to sell your product or service, and don't dismiss the idea of selling the website itself in the future. Now I can almost hear your thoughts saying, I don't want to spend every single day crafting articles about a specific topic. That doesn't sound lazy. It'll take too much time. Well, you're right on the money. What I've implemented with my websites is outsourcing the writing process. I've utilized different platforms to handle content creation for me. This approach allows you to focus on the broader aspects while your website continues to generate income on autopilot. It's about working smarter, not harder, and creating a sustainable flow of income without being tied down to daily tasks. And here's another little secret to maximize your journey with us. Once you've hit that like button and subscribed, why not take a stroll through our treasure trove of videos on Pivot Online? There's a wealth of valuable content waiting for you, offering insights, tips, and strategies to navigate the online world. So, after you've tapped that subscribe button, make sure to check out our other videos, each one crafted to empower you on your path to online success. Your adventure is just beginning, and Pivot Online is your guide. Now, let's get back to the video. Method 3. Faceless video content business. Now let's delve deeper into the world of the faceless video content business, a laid-back yet effective online venture. This unique approach combines short-form and long-form content, making it adaptable to various platforms. For the bite-sized content, think about platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube Shorts. On the more extended content side, YouTube stands out as the ideal destination. The best part? You don't need to make appearances in these videos, and the entire process is something you can delegate to others. Here's the key. You won't be shouldering the workload yourself. I've opted for outsourcing everything from editing to posting, scheduling, and more. Streamlining this process is crucial, and that's where tools like the Later app come in handy. With Later, I can add users, link all my platforms, and allow my editors to upload and schedule videos seamlessly across various platforms. Now, you might be curious about making money, especially when you're just starting with faceless YouTube videos. Well, once you hit around 3,000 watch hours and 500 subscribers, you can start earning through AdSense. Now let's talk about short-form content. While direct monetization from platforms might not be straightforward, there are alternative avenues. Reflecting on what we discussed earlier, recurring affiliate commissions, selling your digital product, or offering a service, these become your monetization tools. If you can cultivate an audience interested in a particular topic and consistently deliver top-notch, faceless content, you position yourself to provide them with something valuable. It's all about establishing trust and meeting your audience's needs, without revealing your face or using your voice. Moreover, let's dive into the strategy behind building this business. In the world of faceless video content, strategic planning is crucial. Leveraging various platforms for short and long-form content diversifies your reach. Outsourcing tasks through tools like Later not only simplifies your workflow, but also ensures consistency across platforms. Method 4. Investing for passive income. Let's take a deeper dive into what could be considered the laziest yet incredibly effective money-making method: investing. I get it. The idea of investing might seem a bit intimidating, especially for beginners. However, based on my experience, once you equip yourself with the right knowledge about what to invest in, it turns out to be surprisingly straightforward. Over the years, I've cultivated various portfolios that practically run on autopilot. Funds are automatically deducted from my bank account and strategically invested in promising opportunities. Consider a Trading 212 account as an example. Imagine having over £22,000 invested, leading to a complete passive income of more than £1,300. The beauty of this? I didn't have to exert much effort. The setup of the account and all its automation was the extent of my involvement. By choosing the right investments, particularly focusing on the S&P 500, I contribute a small amount daily, and the results speak volumes. It has grown to over 5 figures, and remember, this is just one of my investment portfolios, albeit a smaller one. I showcase it to illustrate how uncomplicated the investing process can be. The crux of generating passive income through investing lies in understanding precisely where to invest, and the rationale behind putting your money into specific avenues. It boils down to making well-informed decisions and allowing your money to work for you without constant hands-on management. Moreover, let's discuss the approach to building these investment portfolios. Creating a diverse portfolio is key to mitigating risks and maximizing potential returns. In my case, I've diversified across different sectors and assets. Automated tools like those provided by Trading 212 simplify the process and enhance portfolio management. In conclusion, investing when approached with the right knowledge and strategy can indeed be a low-effort yet highly effective way to generate passive income. It's about embracing simplicity, understanding your investments, and allowing your money to work diligently in the background without requiring constant intervention. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to pivot towards that button and hit subscribe. Your support truly means the world to us, and it keeps the wheels of Pivot Online turning. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, the power to pivot towards success is in your hands. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, signing off.